guys, welcome to my world! Hi guys, welcome to my video. Please subscribe down below. Please show your friends all of my DIYs. I'm really excited for this because it's really fun and it's completely washable. And I'm really excited for this DIY, and I really want you guys to try it. And you guys can basically choose any color that you guys want in this video, and it's completely washable and it's really pretty. And also it's kind of easy to do and something you can do on your own. And I'm really excited for this DIY, and we can get going. So what you're gonna need for this is a white t-shirt, Sharpies, and tape, and scissors, and a dropper, and some alcohol. And that's basically all you need. Easy peasy. We're gonna take that white t-shirt and we're gonna choose two colors. And be careful if you choose red. It's really bright orange. I'm choosing this one and this one. So we're going to make any design you want, but make sure it has lines and dots in it. So you make a design on your t-shirt basically. And then you basically drop like 10 drops in the middle of alcohol, and it'll spread. And you can do it on the side, and you can make a heart, anything you want. And basically we're going to put some stars on it, and we're going to do really cool stuff. So I hope you guys try this, and please tell your friends all about this video because I think they'll want to do it too. Okay, and it's actually better than tie-dye. Let's go. Put cardboard in your shirt so it doesn't bleed through. Oh, I love that. Oh, look at that design. It's so pretty. Okay, so during my DIY, my brother kind of ruined my shirt. I didn't plan using those colors, but guess what? It turned out really cool. We just improvised and turned it into flour with alcohol in it, and it turned really pretty. Man, my brother just likes to do everything I do. And I think if you make a mistake, you can just turn it into something else, and I think it'll look really pretty. And add some other colors too, kind of like a pretty explosion. But also, what you're gonna need to do it probably takes a long time if you're doing the whole shirt. I only did side because I think it looks cool that way. Make sure it's okay to use sharp scissors. You guys should put fringe on your shirt because it's really playful, and also it makes your shirt stand out more. I really like it. I love this fringe so much. And tell me which one was your favorite. And tell me if you guys liked my shirt. I really like this shirt because it has so much colors and it looks really pretty like Hawaiian flowers, especially the orange one. I really like how it turned out. thank you guys for watching my video. I'm so excited, and I really hope you guys give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. I really hope you like my video. Please tell me down below which DIY you liked the best. I'll see you guys on my next video, and please subscribe down below. Bye!